Hi, I'm Josh and welcome to the video section of this review of the Canon EOS R. Canon have a great history of filming cameras, starting off with the Canon 5D Mark II, which revolutionised the filming industry. Today we'll be looking at what this puppy can do. It can film in 4K at 30 frames per second with a crop factor. This is due to apparently heat issues with the camera. It can record in 1080p at 60 frames per second and 120 frames per second in 720p. It's great for vloggers with the flip out screen and the touch screen focus as well. There is no internal stabilization, which for me is a bit of a deal buster, which means a little bit less free-handed movement. And it does have the standard 30-minute record limit.
The camera has all the usual things you'd expect, like a microphone in and headphones out, along with micro HDMI and a USB-C for transferring data. Some of the menu systems can be a little bit complicated to find what exactly you're after. Just here you can find the log settings, but this is only in the video mode, not in the photo mode. And to get into video mode, you have to push mode and in the bottom left-hand corner, video, and vice versa again, back for photo.
Overall, I think for filming this camera would be great as a little kind of starter if you're currently existing with Canon. If you're currently with Sony or anything like that, I don't think it's a brand switcher. However, I do think it's a great camera to kind of start off with, especially if you have a lot of Canon lenses. I tried this with the 24-105 and the 50mm lens on it. I found the 50mm lens was quite noisy, especially in a video-centric environment where you do need as much quiet as possible, especially with those more sensitive recordings. And the 24-105 was a great all-rounder lens at f4. Great, I hope you've enjoyed this part of the review. Thank you very much.